hitting that different. Nash me.
Alright, man, Led Zeppelin, man. Led Zeppelin. Let's get it, baby. Led Zeppelin. We back. We back. Let me fix my do-rag real quick. We back. And good looking out for y'all, bro. Y'all really gave me the background of this band, bro. Good looking out, bro. That's what I really need. Whenever I listen to a new band, I need y'all to, like, comment down below, like, what's their background, like, what's the members of their group. Good looking out on that, bro. I fuck with y'all, man. But anyway, what we about to do is react to Led Zeppelin Black Dog, man. So, man, I really want to do a Led Zeppelin album. I want to react to that shit. But as far as I'm looking at it, I be seeing a whole bunch of YouTubers been getting, like, copyright. They videos been copyrighted, just taken down, blocked by YouTube. So I might just hold off on that shit. So I don't know. Y'all let me know if I should do one, because I don't want my video to get taken out. Y'all see what I had to go through with the Pink Floyd videos, man. I got two. I tried to re-upload The Wall like 3 times, and I try re-upload Animals, and them motherfuckers kept on getting taken down. So I might hold off on the Led Zeppelin albums. I might just do songs right now. But if they ain't so strict on it, I'm for sure doing the album by theirs. But hey, well, what we about to react to, y'all already know. Black Dog, baby. Let's get it, baby. Led Zeppelin. Let me pull this shit up. Alright, man, let's get it. Oh, man.
Hey, mama said the way you move,
Huh?
gonna make you sweat, gonna make you groove.
Hold on. I swear I heard this song before. Hold on. I swear to God I heard this song. I swear to God. Hold on, let me play that shit back. I swear I heard this, like, that opening line before. Hold on.
Hey, mama said the way you move, gonna make you sweat, gonna make you
Yeah, I heard that opening line before. Whoa, Led Zeppelin made this song? That's wild. Hey, yo, that's wild, bro. The more you know, bro. The more you fucking know, bro. I did not know they made this song. That's wild. I did not know they made this song. Oh my God. Yeah, I definitely heard this song before. Woo! I like how they do that. I like that. I like that. I like how he just stop and just speak. I like that, bro. It's different. It's different from any other rock song. This so aggressive, bro. That's what I love about them. They so aggressive. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. I like this. I like this. I think his name Johnny Mercury. I can't be wrong, but man, he got vocals for days. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. I like this, bro. Mm. Oh my God, this is. Oh. Oh my God. I love this shit. I like how it just take a little break and it's like a little spoken word in it. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Ooh. They is so aggressive, bro. I love this shit, man. I love this shit. Imagine being high listening to this shit, bro. Oh, man. Oh, that was a great track. That was a great track, bro. Oh, that was a great track. That was a great track, man. Oh, my God. I did not know they made this song. I didn't listen to the whole song ever before. But like I said, the last Led Zeppelin song, y'all notice how I said I was listening like that, screaming when he was screaming, like at sporting events. Man. Like that opening line of this song, I definitely heard that before. I did not know Led Zeppelin made that song. The more you know, bro. That's why people should just, you know what I'm saying, open their mind to new music. Stop listening to the same old stuff like I was doing, like hip hop, rap. You gotta open your, you know what I'm saying, be open-minded, bro. Stop listening to the same shit, because the more shit that you know, like, the more you experience, bro. I did not know they made this song. That's crazy. Shout out to y'all that requested this shit, man. And if y'all have more requests, bro, hit me up on my Instagram and Twitter. The watermark gonna be somewhere around the screen, man. Y'all can DM me, like, any requests. I'm gonna get to it, bro. Instead of just comment down below, y'all can just hit me up, DM me on Instagram. And follow me on there too, baby, if y'all want to keep up with me. But, man, this song was great. I like how it just stopped. Like, they do a little rock shit and they'd stop and do a little spoken word in there. I like that. This was a great track. This was a great track, man. Like I said, hit me up for more requests. DM me. Do whatever y'all want, bro. Because if y'all got more songs like this, bro, I'ma look, man. Keep requesting that shit, man. I'ma get to it. But anyways, bro, I'm out this motherfucking, man. Like, subscribe if you new, man. It's your boy Ahmad. Appreciate all the love. We about to hit 1K. Just like that, man. Appreciate all the love, man. And I'm out this motherfucker.